Hey, good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. Hopefully you saw what the markets did last night. The 10-year made a slightly lower low and the bonds did not. Bonds held the previous lows at 25, double bottom there, and started rallying. The data this morning on the ADP number was bullish, obviously. The market rallied up, took out the overnight highs, came back off, and gave you a chance to get long against the previous overnight high. Now what? Bonds made new highs for the whole move by like 2 ticks, and the 10-year didn't. The 10-year basically retested the old 21 plus highs and kind of came off. We closed decently, up 10. But, you know, until we breach those old highs, you're going to have to be a little cautious, I think, about just grabbing anything now. Tonight, well, this afternoon, in a couple minutes, Chairman Bernanke's giving some kind of a speech. Later this afternoon, the President's giving an interview on CNBC with John Harwood. That should be real hard-hitting, since John Harwood's, you know, Obama's best media guy. And then tonight, I think at about 4:30 Chicago time, the President and the congressional leaders are meeting. I don't know about you guys, but I'm flat right now. We'll see what happens with these interviews and meetings overnight. Keep your head on a swivel, as somebody, Steve, in the chat room said a couple days ago. It's, you know, headline risks, and it's not trading. That's not trading. We had a trade today. Hopefully you were able to catch it, or last night, and we're handsomely rewarded. Let's see what happens. I think if we can get above the previous highs and stay there for more than a couple minutes, maybe we're going to leg our way higher. Elliott wave stuff still has, you know, targets at the previous fourth wave highs. In the 10-year up around 127.10, and in the bonds, depending on which high you're looking at, around 136 even to 136.26. It's been tough. You know, the way this thing's traded, it's 3 steps forward, 2 back, and it's not been, you know, a powerful bullish move. Today, if we could have closed up near the higher end of the range, I would have said hold your nose, close your eyes, go home long. But don't. Be careful. I'd rather buy it on a stop if we do make new highs, you know, get an hourly or a half-hour close above the previous highs, something like that. You know, whatever your methods are, whatever your trading preferences are. Or again, look to buy them back towards the highs from or the lows from last night. That could be our big range kind of trade up here now. So that's about it. Good luck. Hopefully these guys will get something resolved. I'm getting kind of tired of this Washington stuff. I mean, you guys know me. You know I've been tired of it for a long time. Term limits, campaign finance reform that takes these corporates out of the game. There's no way that these corporations should have the influence over the American people that they do now. Their interests are not our interests. The American people need to take the reins back. There's my rant for the day. Have a great night, guys.